Welcome to Football in Pidgin. Chelsea 3 and Bournemouth 1. We get our guy for your guy Ose. Our Ogbonge man, Ogbonge Chelsea captain. I dey see the smile for your face. Make you tell us how today match be for inside.
A very, very fine game. Although the plan not still play to my expectations, but anything can happen. You understand? Obviously, I tell my guys on here just now. I tell them say when the game starts, we go win. If we not play fine football, but we go win. I just feeling so I guess. And indeed we win, but we not still play better football, but we just win and still just leave it to me. So I'm happy.
So you now the 3.9 matters.
And 3 points matters. So
All right now. So who be your player of the match for this game?
now Noni Madueke.
Madueke,
Yes.
our Nigerian own brother.
Now Nigeria now, but now British so far now. So now he play for pass. More be honest, him Kante. So to me, na him deserve am.
All right now. So more go a quick review. Wetin be your expectation for Chelsea for next season?
Na to win the league next season now. We don't play Champions League football now. We focus on the league. If we win quickly, we can league up, very focus. So if we win the league now, we'll win now. So you just win.
All right now. So wetin be your own talk about this una new coach wey be say e dey come una club? Because I know say you don get your own point about this new coach. So wetin be your own review for the coach now?
Yes, Pochettino may likely become our new coach. For me, actually, the guy kind of coach there, but they not really league at the moment because Gallagher and club pass him. But if Arteta can prove this kind of stunt, yes, guy can also do it because he don't do it before Arteta self. You understand? Remember when he come Tottenham, no players now, then they leave from Jester for championship, just one players. Other came buy them from relegation team come and he do well. So if he can do it in Tottenham, he can do it for Chelsea. Just that now the challenge now they more immense because of the likes of Guardiola and club. But anything is possible.
All right now, we know say Chelsea na that kind of club wey be say na winning na be their own spirit. Now Pochettino no never get that record. You feel say na the right man for the job be that?
He don't later get the record sooner. He don't get the record at the moment because after he leave Tottenham, he go France, he win the Paris Cup. So not enough than this thing. In fact, the same portfolio where Thomas Tuchel carry come Chelsea, he don't get the same portfolio. He win league for PSG, he go final for Tottenham. And that same portfolio now Thomas Tuchel gets, he win league for PSG, go final for PSG until Chelsea call give am Champions League. So he don't get the same portfolio. The only player that get with Pochettino is if he can be aggressive. Correct on time, Chelsea has been doing well with aggressive lifestyle, aggressive playing style. And that mentality I go like make it hard for the team. Just aggressiveness. But I feel aggressive enough. Yeah.
All right now, Chelsea next match against Nottingham Forest. Wetin be your prediction for that game?
We win that one now, 3-1 too. And 3-1. Because if they keep our defense, so much concede, so 3-1 too.
All right now, we dey see speculation about this Atletico Madrid boy Joao Felix say he likes stay. Wetin be your own talk concerning Joao Felix?
For me, I think we need to give her another chance. If the team blend, a very fine player. We don't have to place of mind for us or anything. We just need a blend team. Now, if our bells you black, oh, dear honest. I just have the team to suffer. Everybody drop form for Chelsea. Everybody drop form. So if the team pick back to form, who come out to form, you see the best of the player. And a very wonderful player to me. So maybe I give him a chance.
All right now, thank you for your time.